Hi, my name is Gavin and I bring you videos on self-development because I believe self-development is the greatest investment. Today I want to speak with you about opportunity. Let me begin by telling you a story of a man who wanted to get rich. And he kept praying to God every day for God to help him to win a lottery in order to get rich. And after praying for many days, he once saw God in his dream. And once again he said to God, God, help me win the lottery so that I will be rich. God turned around to him and said, why don't you begin by at least buying that lottery ticket? Well, you may smile at the story, but often we behave like the man in this story. We want to achieve things in our life just by wishing and praying. But I ask you, what about action? And talking about action brings me to the aspect of opportunity. You see, I believe that action happens not only after the life-changing opportunity, but even before you get that life-changing opportunity. If, like me, you have watched the Hindi movie Satya, you will know that the lead character in that movie says, "Mauka sabhi ko milta hai," which means that everyone gets an opportunity in life. The question to ask ourselves is that, does everyone benefit from this opportunity that they get? And if not, what's really happening? Well, I believe there are two questions we can ask ourselves in introspection. One, do we notice opportunities in our life? Two, are we prepared when we get that opportunity? Let's talk about the first question. I believe that we can notice opportunities when we have an open mind and when we're living in the moment. Often we're so caught up in our corporate life with the office politics and envying others because she got that promotion and I didn't, and all those kind of things. In businesses, sometimes we're so stuck up with our old ways of operating that we may not notice a new opportunity to scale up our business. Talking about the second question, preparation. Are we prepared for that opportunity? You see, as a corporate employee or a corporate individual, I cannot say that I will learn interpersonal skills and leadership skills after I get that promotion to manager. As a business person, I cannot think that I will build my team and go digital after I see the growth in revenue. These actions will have to come before we get that opportunity. I believe in the current pandemic, we can notice three types of individuals and businesses. One, those who had systems in place and saw the opportunity even in this difficult time and could seize that opportunity. Two, people who saw opportunity but didn't have the systems in place and now are working to get the systems in place so that they can scale up in the new normal. And three, people who are still hoping for the world to go back to the pre-COVID days so that they can hit jackpot. Maybe it's time to introspect and ask ourselves, what type of person am I? What type of business do I run? I'd like you to write in to me and let me know what are your thoughts on opportunities in your life. Have you noticed them and have you been able to take advantage of them? And if not, what stopped you? If you like this video, click on that like button and go ahead and share it with your friends so that they too can use this opportunity to develop themselves. Thank you.